Why study marketing for business success? You are running a business or about to start one, but keep hearing you need marketing. But what does that really mean? Do you need to become a full-time marketer now or hire someone? And how much time does it actually take to learn marketing? Enough to grow your business. Hello, I'm Vlad Sapornikov, a marketer with more than 10 years of experience and the founder of the international marketing agency at Lunix. In this video, you will learn why marketing is essential for your business, what it actually includes, whether you should learn it yourself or delegate, how much time it takes to grasp the basics, and where to start so you don't waste time. Stage number 1. Understand why marketing matters. When I started my first business, I believed a good product would sell itself. It didn't. The problem was simple. No one knew about it. Marketing is how you connect your product to the right people. Without it, even the best product stays invisible. Marketing is not just about ads. It helps you understand your customers and show them why your product is valuable. First, you need to know who your customers are, so you can talk to them in the right way. Then, you have to explain how your product is different and what problem it solves. You also need to find where your customers spend their time, like social media or search engines, to reach them better. Marketing helps build trust and makes people remember your brand, so they come back to buy again. It also lets you see what works and what doesn't, so you can spend your money smarter. Without marketing, your business will be hard to grow because people won't know about your product. Learning these basics and using them step by step is the best way to start. I launched a product with a great branding and nice website, but got zero sales because I didn't define my target audience or understand where to reach them. Once I learned who my customers were, what problems they had, and how to speak their language, I started getting results. Marketing is about understanding your customer and delivering the right message to the right place. Once you master this, you'll stop guessing and start growing your business. Stage number 2. Learn what marketing actually includes. After I understood why marketing is important, I started applying it to my business. The first thing I did was figure out who my ideal customer was, what problems they had and what they really needed. Then I picked one marketing channel where my audience spent most of their time, which was Instagram. I began creating simple posts and messages that spoke directly to their problems and needs. At first, I didn't get many responses, but I kept testing and learning from what worked and what didn't. By paying attention to the feedback, I improved my content and offers. This helped me avoid wasting money and time on the wrong strategies and get my first real sales faster. Starting small and learning from real results made a big difference for my business. The key lesson here is to focus on the 1 or 2 marketing channels at the beginning. Trying to be everywhere can be overwhelming and ineffective. Also, always test different messages and offers to see what connects best with your audience. Use simple tools like polls, comments, or direct messages to get feedback quickly. This way, you make smart decisions based on real data, not guesses. Stage number 3. Decide. Learn or delegate. After you have started applying marketing to your business, the next step is to decide whether you want to learn it yourself or delegate it to others. You don't need to become an expert in everything, but understanding the basics is very important. This knowledge will help you make better decisions and avoid wasting money on things that don't work. When I first tried marketing, I did everything myself, from writing posts to running ads. It took a lot of time and energy, but I learned what worked and what didn't. Later, when my business grew, I hired a freelancer to help me with the content and ads. Because I already understood the basics, I could guide them clearly and check their work. This made the process faster and saved me money. Knowing enough about marketing also helps you manage agencies or freelancers better. You can ask the right questions, understand reports, and spot when something isn't working. So even if you decide to delegate, you stay in control and get the best results for your business. Want more videos like this? Like this video, write comments, and subscribe to my channel. Stage number 4. Start small, learn fast. Starting small and learning fast is the best way to get results without wasting time. When I began, I didn't try to master every marketing channel or strategy. Instead, I picked one clear goal, getting my first sales, and focused on one channel, Instagram. This helped me concentrate my efforts and see what worked quickly. In just a few weeks of testing different posts, messages, and offers, I started to understand what my audience liked and responded to. I didn't wait to be perfect. I learned by doing, fixing mistakes as I went. This fast feedback loop saved me from the spending months on strategies that might not work. You don't need years to start seeing results. With focused learning and action over 2 to 4 weeks, you can build confidence and start growing your business. Choose one goal, one channel, and just take the first step. That's how progress really happens. Here is a little secret. When you have a limited budget, choose one product, one target audience, one pain point, and one channel. Don't spend yourself to think. This will give you much greater effectiveness at the start. Choose one goal, one channel, and just take the first step. That's how progress really happens. But what if you're launching a startup, your product isn't ready yet, and you're already thinking about raising investment and testing the market? Not sure if your product actually fits the market or where to even start? That's exactly where we come in. At Linux, we conduct in-depth market research that gives you clear, data-driven answers to critical questions. Is there enough demand and funding potential in the market? Which regions or markets should you enter first? Who is your true target audience and what do they really need? How do your competitors separate and position themselves? Which marketing channels are most effective for your product? And how can you build a pitch that clearly shows your product's potential to investors? Instead of guessing and wasting time, you'll get a reliable report based on real insights and help you find product market fit and raise investments with confidence. Click the link to our website at linux.com and book your market research today. Let's take your idea from vision to validation. Effective marketing is one of the most important pillars of any successful business. It goes far beyond simple advertising. It's about truly understanding your customers, communicating your value clearly, and building lasting relationships that turn prospects into loyal clients. By recognizing the real power of marketing, you set your business up for sustainable growth and long-term success. Applying marketing step by step, from learning the basics to testing strategies and knowing when to delegate, allows you to use your time and resources wisely. It helps avoid costly mistakes and ensures that every action you take moves your business forward. Remember, marketing is not a one-time effort or a quick fix. It's a continuous process that involves as your business and market change. Don't wait for the perfect moment or think you need to master everything before you start. Taking small, focused, and consistent steps today will bring you valuable insights and real results faster than trying to do everything at once. Your willingness to learn, adapt, and take action is what truly separates successful entrepreneurs from the rest. In the fast-changing business world, those who embrace marketing as a strategic tool, not just an expense, will be the ones who survive and thrive. Start now, stay committed, and watch how effective marketing transforms your business, opens new opportunities, and builds a competitive advantage that lasts. And hey, if you haven't seen my last video yet, go check it out. I break down 6 stages to do market research, from big idea to measurable results. No fluff, just real tips you can use right now. Click on it, give it a watch, you will love it. See you soon, bye.